Pranam, good morning. The National Cadet Corps is grateful for your benign presence here this morning. An organization to be proud of, and an organization whose energy levels are unparalleled. The other day, we interacted with all the cadets who are present here in the camp. There are 2070 of them, along with instructors, staff. Now these 2070 boys and girls, out of which nearly 1400 are boys and about 600 are girls, which is a very healthy mix. So while speaking to them from here, it was such a pleasant experience. Not pleasant experience because it was a time to deliver a talk on motivational issues in their life. It was a pleasure because talking to youth of the nation, bubbling with energy and a very vibrant fragrance that emanated from their youthful energy, is a matter of pleasure for anyone to interact with them, whether us or you yourselves, as you would see as the activities unfold in the camp that is on, is touching 683. In the ensuing year, we'll make sure remote areas of Arunachal Pradesh or Chhattisgarh, there are the reasons that you know well that yet we are not able to reach, because National Cadet Corps is a voluntary organization. It is also contingent upon some issues of infrastructure support. We have around 16,000 institutions comprising schools, comprising colleges. There are several which are waitlisted as of time, 8,000 of them or more, to enhance the motivation levels of the boys and girls in their institutions. And the strength of the National Cadet Corps, which is authorized as of date, is 13.8 lakhs. I think to touch the lives of the numbers that I mentioned through the National Cadet Corps. This organization, which is truly pan-India, without biases and prejudices, it functions to adopt a life that gives us very distinct advantages in 3 fields. And will continue in days to come, such is our assurance. Some achievements in sports, in Jawaharlal Nehru Cup, the sub-juniors, 14 years old and younger, they get championship in 2015. A year later, they reach the semi-final stage. In Mavlankar National Shooting, which is actually good. Boys and girls are not behind, and nearly 3 or 4 dozen medals in these competitions. In May 2016, this year, 11 girls team, young girls, they scaled Mount Everest. So there are 2 things to it. The largest contingent from any country, and to take a team of 11 members to atop Mount Everest is a challenge. 1s and 2s people will go. But to start with, Book of Records. It's a world record. What did boys do? This year, they went to Bhagirathi 2. 7 senior division cadets, and they did it in September. When did they go to Mount Everest? They went to Mount Everest in 2013. On the International Yoga Day in 2015, we had 9.5 lakh cadets at 1700 venues across the country undertaking this activity simultaneously. Again, it is registered as and lauded the contribution of National Cadet Corps, and we got a Puraskar from him. And during this, various activities relating to ODF plan or awareness campaign, all these were undertaken. Army Equestrian Championship and Jaipur Horse Show. Now what I've written in a box is, this, it is not youth exchange program with 11 countries that we have an MOU with. And last one, what you see on the picture, was signed in October or November this year with Kyrgyzstan. Otherwise, the flags placed in this hall on your right are the flags of nations with whom we have this MOU. And this year, 17 officers, about 4 heads of the departments, that is the DGNCC equivalent, and 112 cadets, boys and girls, will be coming and interacting with the National Cadet Corps, boys and girls of India during this camp itself. And as the year unfolds, there will be mutual exchange programs for this youth exchange of excellence. Okay. Now, what I showed you so far is that NCC is around. Now, to may say that NCC is around in a little deeper sense, what you see in front is what appeared in Times about 3 odd days ago. Young boy called Bandhu Pangi, tribal, 14 years, from Odisha, from Potangi, from Behrampur group. The boy gets picked up for the talent and for national shooting, and we'll groom him to undertake further competitions at the national stage and, if God willing, in the international stage. That depends on the performance, how he goes. But a boy in a very primitive area is picked up, and all done by the staff of the National Cadet Corps, which is finding routes in all the remote areas of our nation. Each day there are 4 or 5 camps in progress somewhere in the country, whether they are annual training camps or they are national integration camps or there are other adventure treks or there are some camps. So adventure training has 3 domains, as you know. It's aero, aqua and land. In aero, we give them exposure to slithering, to parasailing, to fly in a microlight aircraft, which you'll see. We'll try and get one during the PM's rally here, which we acquired also, some have acquired now. So give an air experience of flying in a microlight in India or globally. 2070 camps, boys and girls, and undertaking range of activities which I tell you. And the day and the time that they come to the camp till they depart from here, each 60 seconds of a minute counts for these boys and girls. Of its activities, जो इनकी planned activities रहती हैं हर साल, excellence के pursuit में सारी वो जो virtues हमने बताई हैं, personality development, आपके core values of life, social responsibilities इत्यादि, camps, adventure, ये activities जो हर साल का हमारा curriculum है, ये स्वाभाविक तौर पर ही हर वो चीज़ें कर पाता है जो कि देश को हमसे अपेक्षाएं। लेकिन अगले 1 साल में अगर आप पूछें तो हम चाहेंगे कि जो एक्सलेंस आप रिपब्लिक डे परेड कैंप में देखते हैं वो हम पूरे देश में इसको ज़्यादा रूप से बढ़ा सकें, ये हमारी आशा रहेगी।
वो कहाँ जाने का मौका मिलता है? कुल राजपथ पर कितनी कंटिजेंट होते हैं, कितने बैंड होते हैं?
राजपथ पर इन 2070 कैडेट्स जो कि पहले ही पूरे देश से चुन करके आए होते हैं। इसमें हमारे 2 कंटिजेंट जाते हैं, जिसके अंदर एक के अंदर 148 कैडेट्स होते हैं। हम उन्हें कुछ कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स, उनकी डीप सिलेक्शन ताकि वो सेना और हमारी बेटर सर्विसेज उनकी लिए चयन करके उनको आगे हम ट्रेनिंग कर सकें। इसके लिए कैडेट्स को हम टैलेंट हंट, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया अपनी ब्रीफिंग में, उसके लिए चयन करते हैं। और इसके अलावा उनको बीटिंग द रिट्रीट, डेली दर्शन, ये सब चीज़ें, यूथ एक्सचेंज, जो कि बाकी हुए चुने हुए देशों से कैडेट्स आते हैं, उनके साथ उनको अपने मिलने का, एक्सचेंज का मौका मिलता है।
सर, हर कैडेट का सपना होता है कि आरडी कैंप के अंदर आए, तो किस तरह का निखार आ पाता है इस आरडी कैंप को करने के बाद कैडेट के अंदर?
ये आप उनको देख करके जानिए।
तो कहीं ना कहीं